to what extent can lawyers rely on legal professional privilege?
Back in September 2018, the EU Working Party discussions on DAC6 actually brought this up, this whole concept of legal professional privilege and how it would apply to the directive. It was stressed there that the directive doesn't provide for a harmonised regime on the protection of professional secrecy. While it applies primarily to lawyers, in some EU member states, this may be extended to other professionals, such as tax advisors or auditors. Again, that would be a jurisdiction-specific decision. The extent of legal professional privilege varies amongst EU member states. Therefore, it's important to clarify this before you make an assumption that legal professional privilege applies to you. If a reporting obligation would not be enforceable upon an intermediary due to a legal professional privilege waiver, it would be the duty of that intermediary to inform the taxpayer or another intermediary of their disclosure obligations. Again, an intermediary claiming legal professional privilege would still need to document in its files that it has informed the client or another intermediary of the reportable event.
Another thought that I just wanted to mention about legal professional privilege and about law firms generally is the fact that, and this came up at our roundtable event last week, was even if legal professional privilege applies, it's expected that law firms will still need to advise their clients on the implications of DAC6. And so a knowledge of it is very important, and firms, I think, will be looking particularly to their law firms, perhaps to their accounting firms, but most likely law firms, to explain to them what the implications are for DAC6, whether it's what to report or what the penalties might be. So an understanding of it is important, even if you're relying on legal professional privilege.